Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to mute the original sound in TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, here the first thing we're going to do is to tap on the plus icon at the very bottom. And after that, I'm going to record a quick video. Now we're going to tap on the check mark at the bottom right corner. And now if the video has background sounds and you want to remove them, here what we're going to do, we're going to tap on edits. And now we're going to tap on this little speaker icon. So as you see here, now it's muted and now it's unmuted. So if you tap on it, and when it has this little X icon, then it means the background sounds removed. And like that, the original sound has been removed successfully. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!